welcome back with another video. Today we have the Pizza Hut Big Dinner Box with Bloves Smackalicious sauce. I made it really thick. I'm ready to dig in. I'm super excited for this. Let me move this over. I needed it for the thumbnail. Got my Bloves mild sauce with all this. I'm so excited right now. Thank you all who joined the Coral family. I really appreciate you guys. And I love you to death. So thank you guys so much. Look at this. Oh. I have some plain boneless wings. Some breadsticks. Pepperoni pizza. And pepperoni and mushroom. My corals, I had to take down my props and kind of make this a little bit more feasible. But thank you guys so much for joining me in this video today. I love you guys so much. You guys have been keeping me so motivated with all the amazing comments and all the love you guys have been showing me. Thank you so much. And this Bloves sauce is just amazing. So as you guys probably know, I dipped the Popeye sandwich in it. I did a seafood boil. And now I'm doing pizza because I've not seen anybody do this with pizza. So I'm going to try it. Pizza Hut is just so bomb. I got some strawberry Fanta here as well. You can't go wrong with Pizza Hut. So I got this food, right? When I picked it up, the guy was like, "You guys have a great rest of your night." I looked around, I'm thinking in my head, like, "Sir, this is only me. This is my meal." This is my meal, sir. So I get home, and I have to make this sauce, right? I'm trying to fit this big old box in the oven. It won't fit. I was just like, whatever. So I had to leave it out because this box is just giant. Oh, is this my garlic sauce? Oh, it is. I get the white garlic sauce there. Oh my god. Let me dip that in with some Bloves sauce. But I don't know why there's a yellow. Oh, okay. I don't know why there's like a yellow ring to it, but ooh, Bloves sauce and garlic sauce. That's the best thing in the entire world. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh, it is so amazing. Oh my gosh. If you guys go to Pizza Hut, get this garlic sauce. That with the Bloves sauce is to die for. You don't want a bite? I spilled this sauce all over my pizza already. So what's been new, you guys? Any new life updates? So far, you guys seem to love the People's Choice series, which makes me so happy. And ooh. Pizza Hut is definitely an all-time favorite. You can't go wrong with Pizza Hut. I haven't seen really anyone do Blovely sauce with pizza or Pizza Hut or wings. Well, I have seen wings, but with like breadsticks. Y'all gotta try it. After you see this video, y'all gotta try it. Let's grab a bite of this. Pepperoni and mushroom. Which I'm not a huge mushroom fan, but I thought I would try it. I might like it with the Blovely sauce. Thought I'll give it a shot. Get back here. So many of you guys already know I'm from Wisconsin. I think everyone knows it gets freezing here. And when I tell you it is so cold, it is literally like, what? -3 degrees with the wind chill. I just can't do it anymore. Literally can't. So who wants to be roommates? Anyone in Florida looking for a roommate? Shoot, I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to be warm. But here it's the whole US. I was hearing that Atlanta is like in the 50s and stuff. Like Georgia, literally, it was cold. If you know it's cold there, you better bet it's cold here. I was trying to get my mom to come on this video with me, but I don't know. If you're new here, please be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Nothing but chill vibes on my channel. We just kind of talk about life. And yeah, I just want to have a chill, peaceful channel, you know, where people feel safe to express themselves. So that's me. Have not eaten all day. I don't know what I think sometimes. These mushrooms are good. So what is your guys' favorite pizza places and why? Is there any like unique pizza places where you guys are from? Because honestly, pizza is my favorite food. Some of you guys know that. But yeah, it's my favorite food. And I always like trying new pizza places. Look at that, wow. I really want to start playing some games with you guys. And doing some fun activities while I eat. I'm gonna have to think of some ideas. But that'll be so much fun. If you guys seen my last like video, you guys were laughing at me about that corn. And I was just being so real. I was being so serious. Like, that corn was killing me. Literally, I felt like after eating 2 ears of corn like that I could have used a huge nap. Like, and second of all, I was choking on that corn. But my upload schedule that I want to do is going to be so videos every other day and then live streams in between the video days, if that makes sense. Live streams, so that's gonna be like my schedule. So I can't really tell you exact days because it's like different for each week, you know, it kind of like rotates. But yeah, so stay tuned. I upload every day. I upload every day, so it's pretty awesome that I found like a groove. It took me like forever to figure it out, but I finally got it. Super excited to finally know what I'm doing myself, not just kind of like all over the place, not really having a schedule. Helps you guys know what I'm doing. The garlic sauce. This Blovely sauce is really good, but I can only have a little bit of it. But I really do need a vacation. Like, I need to get out of here. I need to warm up. I want to explore. I would love to go to like, what's warm? Like Hawaii right now. Or even like California. I would totally go to California and just stay forever. But where are some places that you guys really want to go? Have you guys been on vacation recently? Is there any places that you guys are dying to go? Or places that you're dying to go back to? I have not been outside of the country yet. And I really do need to explore. I've been to a lot of the states in the US. I've been to a lot of places in the US, but to me that's just boring. It's boring. It's boring, it's boring, it's boring. So I see you guys really enjoy my setup. You guys really love it. Like, I really do love this setup. I do want to get a microphone. Eventually. I have one, but some of you guys already know I filmed an entire seafood boil and I had the microphone in. First time using it for a video. And halfway through the video, there was no audio on a seafood boil. No audio. I was just like, why? Like, what did I do? What did I do to deserve this? And it was like lost valuable content. So, it's okay. Everything happens for a reason, so I was just trying to stay positive and not look at it negatively. And it gave me a day to recuperate, get on a better schedule, because I was going off of like no sleep for a long time. Can y'all already believe it's almost December? It's already halfway through the month of November. Are you guys ready to start Christmas shopping? Because it's starting to come up. It's starting to come up. I love this season of, I love this like season, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Black Friday, that kind of thing, but it's a lot. It's a lot to think about. So, I didn't realize how much food this was, but the breadsticks are alright. It's good. But this sauce here, Bloves sauce, best thing ever created. It's so good. The flavors are just out of this world. So if you guys have not had the Bloves sauce yet, give it, what, one more week? It'll be back in stock and you gotta purchase it immediately, depending on how many units they have. Whew. I'm so full. I've not seen anyone do this kind of video before, like with pizza, wings, breadsticks, Bloves sauce, mild. It was so fun, so amazing. This sauce is where it's at. So amazing. She did this. She did this sauce. But alright, all my corals, I love you guys so much. And if you're new here, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, comment, share, you know, all of those things, and help show some love to me. I just started YouTube about, you know, 4 months ago. So it's pretty amazing, you know, meeting so many different people from all over the world, which is so crazy. I absolutely love it. And my goal is to have a full-time YouTube career by next year this time. You have to aim high and you have to stay positive and you have to, you know, really grind, and you can totally get whatever you want. And I totally see that now. You know, I did not ever think I would have 2,000 subscribers before Thanksgiving, but we literally are over 2,000 subscribers. So amazing. I set my goals super low and now I'm just like, I'm on cloud 9. I just want to aim high, hope for the best. My goal is to have 100,000 subscribers by next year and a full-time YouTube career by that time. But I know it's going to take a lot of hard work, and it's just like so amazing. And you guys just have no idea when you guys just leave a nice comment or just, you know, message me, the sweetest thing. Like literally, it really makes me feel good and makes me feel like I am meant to be here. And the people that message me are like, you inspire me or you encourage me. I'm like, that is so awesome. Like, it just really makes me so happy. So thank you guys who have reached out, and thank you guys who continue to support me all the way from when I had 0 subscribers. When I was just like figuring this entire platform out and I still am learning. I really do appreciate you, and I want to say thank you so much. And I love you guys to death, you know, the ones who have stuck around and the new people that are coming on in. Thank you, all my corals. I'm out, and have a great rest of your day, night, week, year. And I'll stay connected with you in the comments, or you can always message me on Instagram if you would like to talk and, you know, get something off your chest or need advice. So, all right, bye, you guys. Love you.